just a dodo owl. That's the sound they make at night.
A dodo owl? The king has never seen one before.
At night, Jammbo is full of sounds that create music and harmony on the planet. That's the way Jammbo is at night.